Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We're going to split up a tote, staying on track for our goals of one tote split a week over the course of the summer. We're running the HD Super Split. It's got two 90-pound flywheels that move the ram along. It's like a rack and pinion. So we're going to get started. I'm splitting for an outdoor wood boiler, a central boiler. So I split them big, so keep that in mind. The length of them are dictated by how big they are. If their diameter's real big, I cut them shorter so I don't have to lift up as much weight. So, easy starter. It was low last week. Oh gosh, I'm gonna put gas in there. If you don't know much about these kinetic splitters by Super Split, they're the original. They got the patent, I believe, in the early 70s on these. There's some other companies that make them, but this is the original. It's about $4,000 if I recall. This is coming up on 1 year exactly. So I got it in August, of last year. So we're close to that. I'm very pleased with it, guys. It's much faster than any box store hydraulic splitter. For a single blade, there's nothing faster, in my opinion. Unlike the box store hydraulic splitters that you need to run full blast, full throttle, this you don't need to do that. You run these at about half throttle. And then when you get to a real knotty log, then I increase the speed. All right, that will do it out here for the day. I got my basket full, so we're going to get that put away. And I have to do some milling today, so we have a busy day today. Let's get that put away, and we'll go from there. That'll do it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you at the log yard next time. Take care.